Hi, hello, this is Maheshkavi. Here I am already open Revit 2018 structural default template. Here I am already done some levels. How to make levels? Go and watch my previous Revit introduction video. Now I am going to make new grids. Structure, grid, line. Just click and click. Sometimes both sides that grid mark is visible. Now I want to start grid from 1. So double click, I given 1. You select here, small break line is coming. You just click, that grid is coming like this. You want to make again that same position. You click and drag. Sometimes that grid is not visible this here. So like this. So that time you select and click, it is coming. Both sides this option is there. See here also. You don't want, you just turn off, turn on. Then you want to change the color, just select edit type. Here more colors there. What are the color you want to select and OK. Here also more line type is there. What are the line type you want to select and apply OK. So now I am going to make more grid lines. So I am selecting here, I copy, I given distance between the grid 6 meter. What are the distance you want to, you give 6 meter. Make sure this unit, which unit we are following, UN, just UN type. Here I am following meters. So you want to other units, you select millimeter, centimeter. OK. So select, copy 6, again copy, so now I am going to make grid in this direction. So select grid, right click, create similar. This direction I want to start grid from A. Select, copy, click and drag, give how much distance want between the grid. I am given 6. So now I am going to make retaining wall. So I am going to here in the ground floor, double click. Now this floor is ground floor. So go to here, structural, wall, structural. Here more option is there. So which wall you want to select. Now here I am selected retaining wall 300 mm concrete. Make sure here basement, first use change depth, basement. Make sure here wall center. Then click wherever you want to make. Now this retaining wall is done. Go to 3D view, see. So one line is visible. This is for the analyze line. We don't want to that line. You go here and click. It is off. Now I am going to make the column. So I am going to open the basement floor. Double click. Structural column. Here concrete column, steel column is there. Which column, which type you want to select. So now I am selecting the 300 by 450 concrete column. So here vertical You want to make single one particular portion you want to here, you just vertical, you click, it is coming. Make sure here height, so you just click here, that column is coming. Suppose you want to column in around the grid location, select column, go to grid, click and drag, finish. Okay, but I don't want to use this method because I want to make some settings in some columns, then I copy paste in everywhere, so I make that too. So again going to column, making column, that column is coming. So now click that column passing the, that's retaining wall passing the column. So I don't want to here, I want to cut the, so go here, joint, switch joint order, just click, first select the wall and click column. So now that wall is cutting around the column location. So now I am going to make some settings. I select this column, edit family, I select this column, family type, dimension, breadth, edit parameter, give here instances. Okay, and this also edit parameter, instances. Okay, apply. Okay, load in project, overwrite the existing version. Suppose you don't want to overwriting, you just before editing the family, you just select edit type, duplicate, you give the name C1. Okay, type also you give C1. Okay, actually why I am going to edit in the families, because suppose sometimes we are using this column in first floor to second floor I want to change the size, but I need to maintain the same name C1, so that time I don't want to make duplicate, so that time you can use this method. So now copy some other place. I using this method to I place other location. Now I am already done the settings, that's why. So go to see the 3D elevation, that column is coming, generator, shadow, finish. Again I am going to basement. So now I want to copy paste in this column in all location, other floors. So I am selecting here, filter, unselect this one, only I selecting the column. OK. Copy to clipboard, paste in second floor, first floor, ground floor. OK. So that column, all levels automatically is placed. You go to 3D elevation, it is visible. So now I am in first floor. I want to change this floor only, that dimension. You just select here, we give the value 500 by 500. Below is 300 other size. This level is other size, but it's the same name. But you want to give other value, you just select here. You want to make other name, you just select and edit, duplicate, you give C2. OK. This way we can make the columns. You go to 3D view, it is visible. Thank you.